Ever wondered if a simple cup of tea could improve your eye health? What if I told you that the answer is a resounding yes? There's a world of tea out there, each with its own unique properties and benefits. Numerous studies have shed light on the incredible potential of teas like green, white, black, and several herbal teas in maintaining and even enhancing our eye health. So let's dive into the world of tea and find out which ones can help us maintain our eye health. Green tea, a popular choice for many, is also a champion for your eyes. This humble brew, steeped in centuries of tradition, is more than just a comforting beverage. It's a veritable shield for your sight. Green tea comes packed with a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly a group known as catechins. These tiny warriors wage a relentless battle against free radicals, those pesky perpetrators of cell damage, thus protecting your eyes from diseases such as glaucoma and macular degeneration. Yet, the goodness of green tea doesn't stop there. This leafy brew also contains a significant amount of vitamin C, another potent antioxidant that further fortifies your eyes against the ravages of age and environment. So as you cradle your next cup of green tea, savor not just its soothing warmth and delicate flavor, but also its potent protective properties. Next time you sip on your green tea, remember it's not just refreshing but also protecting your vision. White tea, a lesser known but highly beneficial tea, holds some wonderful secrets for your eyes. This delicate brew, steeped in tradition, is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's these very properties that shield your eyes from harmful oxidative stress, a key contributor to vision decline. Moreover, the antioxidants in white tea work tirelessly to maintain your eye's health, ensuring your vision stays as clear as a summer's day. So, if you're seeking a subtle yet potent ally for your eye health, look no further than white tea. Black tea, a common favorite, is more than just a great start to your day. It's also a boon for your ocular health. Rich in potent antioxidants, black tea helps in reducing the risk of cataracts and other eye ailments. It's all about the flavonoids, powerful compounds that combat oxidative stress. So every time you sip on that comforting cup of black tea, you're not just kickstarting your day, but also actively contributing to your eye health. So, your morning cup of black tea is also a morning boost for your eyes. Or, moving on from traditional teas, let's explore some herbal teas that are potent for your peepers. First, let's steep into the world of eye bright tea. This herb has been used for centuries to combat eye fatigue and irritation, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a refreshing spa day for your eyes. Next on our list is bilberry tea. Now this is a fascinating one. Bilberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are known to improve night vision. It's almost as if drinking this tea gives you superpowers, helping you see in the dark. Our journey continues with rooibos tea. This South African gem is rich in antioxidants and bioflavonoids, which can help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. It's like a shield, warding off potential threats to your vision. Last, but definitely not least, is chamomile tea. This soothing brew is renowned for its calming effects, but did you know it can also help soothe eye strain and inflammation? It's like a gentle lullaby for your tired eyes. So, as you can see, these herbal teas are not just about taste and aroma. They each contain powerful compounds that can reduce inflammation, improve night vision, and protect against eye diseases. So not only do these herbal teas provide a soothing experience, but they also serve as guardians of your vision. Now that we've steeped ourselves into the world of teas and their benefits, let's brew a quick recap. We've delved into the verdant depths of green tea, a powerful antioxidant-rich brew that may help ward off eye diseases like glaucoma. Then we explored the delicate wonders of white tea, rich in flavonoids that could potentially protect our eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays. Next, we sipped on the robust black tea, boasting its tannins and bioflavonoids that may contribute to reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. We also ventured into the herbal realm with eye-bright, bilberry, rooibos, and chamomile teas, each offering unique properties that could soothe, protect, and enhance our vision. Maintaining good eye health is essential, and these teas can be a delightful addition to your routine, potentially providing a boost to your ocular well-being. Remember, a cup of tea a day may just keep the eye doctor away.